Hi, I'm Teresa Ornellas, and I'm here with the Bodyweight versus Gravity Fitness Webinar. This event is going to be giving you all the secrets behind the scenes for what it takes to get in shape at home or at the park with no impact to low impact moves, because some of us need to move slower and just be a little bit more careful. All right. What it's not dancing, it's not running, it's not learning grapevine movements. What is it though? I'll give you examples, okay, of some of my past clients who I've worked with. In just doing 1 hour, twice a week, we were able to drop inches. I had women who had difficulty losing weight in inches have phenomenal results. Like this person here, they lost 3 inches off their pant size waist in 5 months. 3 inches off in 5 months, people. I had someone else tell me that she put off having surgery so that she would lose weight medically, right? Because she lost so many inches through this program. Okay, we've got someone else over here. They lost 1 inch off their pant waist in 2 months. What would that mean for you? How much are you trying to tone up your body so that your clothes fit better and you feel more comfortable in your own self? Well, that's enough for now. Just get into the webinar, okay? It's a free webinar. Join with me, ask all the questions you want. There's even going to be a replay coming up of the webinar and an encore live Q&A session after the webinar replay. That way I can really make sure I get everyone's questions addressed, because during the webinar, you're going to want to stay to the very end. I'm going to be giving away a very, very special offer, but only if you stay to the end, okay? You're also going to get free copy transcript of the entire webinar so that you can play it back at any time or read it. And again, you're going to get a huge, huge special offer, major offer at the end of the webinar. I can't even tell you about it right now. You just need to go and know what it's not. It's not a dance class, it's not running, it's not ballet, but it uses body weight against gravity in slow, concise movements. We listen to your body, and I'm going to show you all about it here real soon. So get registered. I'm Teresa Ornellas, and I am an American Council on Exercise group fitness instructor, and I'm also an American Board Certified Hair Color Specialist and licensed cosmetologist, business owner, and here for you genuinely to help elevate your personal and professional success. So get into this webinar. We're going to go all about bodyweight versus gravity fitness for your benefit. See you soon.